In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com specifically for event planners. This platform is incredibly useful for organizing, tracking, and executing events efficiently, and I'm excited to guide you through setting it up in just a few minutes. First, head over to Monday.com. This is where we'll kick off our adventure into creating effortless and effective event planning solutions. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to locate and click on the Login button. This will take you to a page where you can sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to create one as you'll need it to access the powerful tools we're about to explore. After you click Login, the next step is to choose Google as your login option and select the Google account you wish to associate with Monday.com. This step makes logging in much quicker and keeps all your platforms cohesive and easy to access. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, look to the left panel for a plus icon. This is your gateway to adding a variety of templates that will be the backbone of your event planning. Click on this plus icon to reveal more options. Next, you'll want to find and click on the Template Center. This is where all the pre-designed templates are housed, so you can easily browse and select the one that best fits your needs. Now, this part is crucial for us event planners. Type event management into the search bar. The system will then bring up all templates related to managing events. From the search results, go ahead and click on the Event Management template. This template is specifically organized for planning events, making it ideal for structuring your tasks, timelines, and resources efficiently. And now you're almost ready to dive into planning. Just click on Use Template to activate it. By doing this, the template will be added to your dashboard, fully prepared for you to customize it according to your event needs, whether it's coordinating with vendors, scheduling key dates, or managing contacts. So there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've set up your very own event management system in Monday.com. This template will serve as a foundation for structuring your event needs. Remember, the flexibility of Monday.com allows you to customize each board or template to suit your particular requirements, so don't shy away from adding or removing elements as needed. Thank you for joining me on this quick setup tour. Now you're all set to manage your events more effectively. Happy planning, and see you in the next video.